Good morning, Vietnam. Holy Toledo. What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trey's Trades, where we freaking talk fast and slap the ass, baby. I can preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor and our expert, so take what I say with a grain of salt. Let's get into the video. So today, my friends, my family, my fellow Gorilla Gang, the morning video that I've got for you guys is going to be pretty short here. I just want to give you a couple small things before we get rocking into the day. First one being that I will not be able to live stream for my lunch break today. I am going in for my follow-up appointment for my heart MRI. They're going to be telling me actually whether or not I need heart surgery. And if that is the case, I likely will be moving back to North Carolina to get that heart surgery done so that I can live in my home and recover from that whole process, for that time being. So, but you know what it is. I'll be fine. There's no big deal here. I just want to give you that, heads up so that you know in case you're expecting me to come on for lunch break as I usually do here today. But we have a nice green pre-market rocking right now with a beautiful, nasty gap up. I'm just going to show you the 1 minute candles here really quick just so you can see what actually happened. We had a beautiful gap up from freaking $43 all the way up to $51.75 being the pre-market high. And I wanted to show you the hourly candles because I think this is a pretty good looking setup that we've got rocking right now that could get us some nice bullish momentum to start moving into the week in a good direction. So if you got my video yesterday talking about, it wasn't the Naked Shorts video, but the first one before that, I gave kind of my prediction on what I think could possibly happen just based on this technical setup, because now we have finally a little bit of a trend, this bull flag setup. If you don't know what a bull flag is, I'll fill you in really quick. Descending level of resistance, ascending level of support, forming this pennant flag formation. All that you're looking for essentially is a green string of green candles, hourly candles. It works at any time frame, by the way, followed by a sort of squeeze down spring loading and price action. And you've got this happening right now. You have the same thing happen back here in a much smaller time frame, right? And now you've got it happening here on a much larger time frame, which is pretty beautiful and bullish to see. So obviously, anybody could have done this. This doesn't take a freaking genius to figure out if you know how charts work. But if you get a break over this descending level of resistance where you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, almost 12 different touch points right here, a clean break with an hourly candle that opens and closes above that should get you into a new bullish trend as long as you get a follow through of consolidation or trend continuation over that move. So that's what you're essentially looking for, some sort of huge freaking big fat boom boom candle to get you cooking over this descending level of resistance right here. So watch for that, right? I think it's pretty likely going to happen. This is, obviously already coming to fruition better than the latter, or the latter, I should say, which was a break under this ascending level of support, right? So that's looking pretty good as it is right now. You've got a nice bullish uptrend, and the unquantifiable thing here, which is the shorts, the naked shorts piece that got released on CNBC, the hype that everybody's been talking about, right? You can't quantify that, and you already have a beautiful move. Remember, we were down 8 or 9% the after hours yesterday, so to be up almost 2% right now is a beautiful reversal. You love seeing that, and that is some great bullish momentum, right? So that's kind of what you're looking at here in the pre-market, my friends. I think it's going to be a solid day, but if we for some reason do sell off in the regular market hours, what you can expect essentially is to first hold on this ascending level of support, which is here at about $43. And I've warned about this in the past, right? And that is this $31 mark down here if we were to fall back below that ascending level of support, which would be the ultimate dip buy, right? So if you get any sort of follow through momentum, like just look at the hourly candle, see if it is closing above that descending level of resistance, and then that means that you're likely going to have to buy into strength if you're looking to buy more stock here today on AMC. So that's kind of what you've got cooking up as it is right now, my friends. Like I said, I'm not going to be able to put out I shouldn't say evening, but an afternoon live stream, an afternoon video, because I am going to be going up for that follow-up appointment. So, any last parting words that I've got for you guys is you already know what this whole story is, right? If you don't know what naked shorts are, check out my last video. If you don't know the reason behind AMC, talk with the fellow apes, man. I'm telling you, as simple as it gets, this is a message. Only invest in this what you're comfortable with, right? Because this is risky. This is momentum trading. You are essentially playing the fact that you'll have follow through bullish momentum, because this sort of move, this sort of volume is not sustainable. You'll get volume exhaustion eventually. This is the beginning, right? There's absolutely More to come, in my personal opinion, right? But only put into this what you're willing to put in. When you'll be able to sleep at night. So that's kind of what I've got for this video here. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know if drop a like, consider subscribing, whatever you want to do. But I'm feeling absolutely jacked on what we've got rocking right now. It's been a long time in the making. The storyline is still being written, my friends. Catch you on the next one. Much love and peace.